Hello and welcome to Token Trader TV, where I share cryptocurrency news, chart analysis, and information that helps you make profitable crypto trades. And today I'm going to talk to you about support and resistance. I'm here in TradingView on the Ethereum chart, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some lines. You've probably seen this a lot in technical analysis when people draw lines on charts. And really all you're doing with a line is you're saying, hey, there's a trend here. There's a trend if you look from one low to another low. And all these trend lines indicate is that there's some level of support on the bottom or resistance at the top. And you can see this more clearly if we don't look at the highs of the candlesticks, but instead we look where they're piercing through. So you can adjust the lines in TradingView, which is the program I'm using now, and you can see that there's this trend right here, where Ethereum, as it goes through the days, each one of these candlesticks represents one day, and you can zoom in and out, you can change what you see, and so you can extend trend lines from one point to another to see what kind of general movement Ethereum is having. And if you notice that back here in April, it hit a local high, and after this high, it went down. And it went down to this, all the way down to here. And then it went up and it pierced through this trend line. Trend lines are not hard stops. What trend lines do is they give you a guide for, is the price likely to go through this line? And at this point, it went through it, but it didn't confirm above it. Confirmation is when it closes another candle above the line, and it didn't come back down, and so it made it really hard to break through. And then it came down further, and when it came up, it pierced it and then came down. And so this can give you good indications of where you can enter and exit a trade. Like if I looked at these two trend lines and I thought, you know, a long at the lower trend line would be likely to go up to the higher trend line and stop. And so you could enter into a long trade at the low trend line and exit the trade at the higher trend line. And so these sorts of lines are helpful for determining where you want to enter and exit a trade. I hope that's been useful. Have fun out there.